Hello, everyone. Welcome to China Business Legal Navigator. The topic for the discussion today is risk of offshore intermediaries in Chinese manufacturing. The global manufacturing landscape is increasingly complex and interconnected, with China standing as a pivotal hub. However, this terrain presents unique challenges, particularly when dealing with offshore intermediaries that own or represent Chinese manufacturing entities. In our discussion today, we will explore the risk associated with such arrangements, highlighting key issues like the lack of direct control, legal complexities, and potential pitfalls. The crucial role of contracts adapted to Chinese law. In transactions involving offshore intermediaries and Chinese manufacturers, it is essential to prioritize contracts that are specifically tailored to Chinese law and ideally written in Chinese. This approach not only mitigates translation issues in potential legal disputes, but also ensures the enforceability of contracts under Chinese jurisdiction. Establishing a direct contractual relationship with a Chinese manufacturer rather than through an offshore intermediary can provide better legal protection, clarity, and a more robust position in case of disputes. Navigating jurisdictional complexities. Offshore intermediaries often complicate jurisdictional matters. While these entities may be located in regions with different legal systems, their connections to Chinese manufacturers can create a web of legal entanglements. Enforcing a contract or legal judgment across different jurisdictions can be fraught with challenges, including lengthy legal battles and enforcement issues. This becomes particularly problematic when disputes arise, as accountability can become obscured and resolution mechanisms may be less straightforward. The risk behind the offshore smokescreen. Chinese manufacturers sometimes use offshore intermediaries strategically, creating a smokescreen that can obscure actual business practices. This arrangement can lead to issues like deflected accountability and complicated legal recourse. Offshore intermediaries often act as buffers, intentionally blurring the lines of responsibility, enabling financial manipulations or unethical practices that are harder to pinpoint and address. Strengthening business positions through diligence. To safeguard their interests, businesses must conduct comprehensive due diligence, which includes thorough background checks of both the offshore intermediaries and the Chinese manufacturers, engaging with legal experts knowledgeable in Chinese law and international trade is crucial. This ensures that contracts are legally sound, favorable, and aligned with the complexities of international manufacturing agreements. While the prospect of working with offshore intermediaries in Chinese manufacturing might seem advantageous for various reasons, the associated legal and operational risk cannot be understated. Contracts that are tailored to Chinese law lay a solid foundation for legal protection. Foreign companies venturing into this domain should exercise extreme caution, prioritizing transparency, direct communication, and robust legal safeguards. Navigating this complex landscape requires a careful approach to mitigate the potential risks inherent in engaging with offshore intermediaries representing Chinese manufacturers. Thank you for listening to the China Business Legal Navigator. Contact us if you need legal help in China, help with background investigation and verification of Chinese companies, protection of patents, trademarks in China and internationally, and verification and drafting of contracts so that they follow the law in China and are enforceable and effective in China. Help with trade issues or IP conflicts, trade conflicts, etc. If you require our assistance or have further questions about our services, please do not hesitate to contact our customer relationship manager, Jan Erik Christensen, at janerik@ncbhub.com, janerik@ncbhub.com, or visit our website ncbhub.com. We look forward to hearing from you and helping your business succeed in China.